Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volvo XC90 tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a firm, level surface, away from moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake and activate your hazard lights to alert others. Before starting, gather your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, typically found in the cargo area. Remember to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any model-specific details. Next, before lifting the vehicle, use the lug wrench to loosen each lug nut by about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them yet. Carefully position the jack under the designated lift point, usually near the flat tire, as indicated in your manual. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. Always double-check that the vehicle is stable on the jack before proceeding. Now, with the vehicle safely lifted, you can fully remove all the lug nuts and then carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Next, align the spare tire with the wheel studs and gently slide it into place. Once the spare is seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as possible. Then, slowly lower the vehicle until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Finally, once the spare tire is lightly touching the ground, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure. After all nuts are secure, lower the vehicle completely to the ground and remove the jack. It is crucial to check the spare tire's pressure as soon as possible and drive cautiously. Remember to have your flat tire repaired or replaced by a professional without delay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.